Welcome to Freedomfully, where we explore living fully and aging gracefully.
Hello, and welcome back to Freedomfully. Are you dreaming of extended travel but worried about lugging heavy suitcases around the world? Today, we're going to learn how to pack like a minimalist for long-term travel. I'm going to show you how to fit everything you need for months of adventure into just one carry-on bag. Minimalist packing isn't about deprivation, it's about freedom. When you pack light, you're free to move spontaneously, you save money on baggage fees, and you reduce the stress of managing your belongings. For retirees, this approach is especially liberating. You can focus on experiences rather than stuff, and you'll find that you actually need far less than you think. The foundation of minimalist packing is the 1-week rule. Pack enough clothes for 1 week, and plan to do laundry weekly. This approach works whether you're traveling for 1 month or 1 year. Choose versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched, and stick to a cohesive color palette. Think of it as creating a capsule wardrobe for travel. A clear layout of essential travel items, versatile clothing, comfortable shoes, electronics, and travel documents. Let's talk about the essentials. For clothing, you'll want 7 days of underwear and socks, 3 to 4 tops that can be dressed up or down, 2 pairs of pants or skirts, 1 warm layer like a cardigan or light jacket, 1 pair of comfortable walking shoes, 1 pair of dressier shoes or sandals. For electronics, your phone, charger, universal adapter, and perhaps a tablet or e-reader. Don't forget copies of important documents stored both physically and digitally. The hardest part of minimalist packing is deciding what to leave behind. Resist the urge to pack for every possible scenario. You don't need 5 pairs of shoes, multiple jackets, or that just-in-case formal outfit. Remember, you can buy things you need along the way, and shopping for local items can be part of the adventure. Host. Now for the practical magic. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves 30% more space. Use packing cubes to organize and compress your items. Wear your heaviest items on the plane rather than packing them. And here's a pro tip. Pack 1 complete outfit in your carry-on, just in case your checked bag gets delayed. Minimalist packing is a skill that gets easier with experience. And like all good habits, it's built through reflection and repetition. Think of it as a mindful practice, not a restriction. Each trip teaches you something new about what you actually need versus what you think you might. Start small. Take a few shorter trips to experiment with your system. Notice what items go untouched, and refine your list each time. Before long, you'll have a personal formula that works effortlessly for your lifestyle. The secret is intentionality. Choose items that earn their space. Lightweight, quick-drying fabrics that layer well, comfortable shoes that fit multiple occasions, and accessories that can transform simple outfits. Stick to a cohesive color palette so everything mixes and matches seamlessly. Rolling clothes instead of folding them saves space and keeps your bag organized. Packing cubes can add structure and make unpacking a breeze, especially if you're hopping from place to place. And don't underestimate the joy of simplicity. When you carry less, you gain flexibility. You can walk farther, move faster, and focus on the journey instead of managing your belongings. Minimalist packing isn't about seeing how little you can survive on. It's about creating space, physically and mentally, for more meaningful experiences. Many seasoned travelers find that packing light also makes returning home easier. You realize how little you truly need to feel comfortable and fulfilled. That mindset can extend beyond your suitcase, helping you simplify other parts of life too. So tell me, what's your best packing tip, or that one travel item you can't live without? Share it in the comments below so we can keep learning from each other. And if this inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to Freedomfully for more mindful travel wisdom for adventurous retirees, digital nomads, and anyone ready to live with more freedom and ease. Thanks for watching, and remember, packing light isn't just about what you bring, it's about how you move through the world. Until next time, live freely and with freedom fully.